What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Alright guys, so as you saw in the title and the thumbnail, it is that time. Yet again, we have another mail call video. Now, the one suggestion I did get from a subscriber was to make these as like mail call Mondays, which is a great idea. I absolutely love that idea. But when I get packages throughout the week, I get so excited to just open them up and share. That's why I kind of post as I get them, just to kind of give you guys some content, but also don't want to overload you guys with mail calls. But a lot of you have given some good feedback that you enjoy them. I'm going to continue doing this as long as I receive trades and packages and doing all that kind of stuff. Peg hunting videos will come. It's just our area has been kind of crazy dry. Had some little waves come in and they go, so it just hasn't been that great for those type of videos. But I did score some K-Case cars, which we'll go over in a little bit, and some shorties, which you guys probably saw on either my Instagram or the community page, but we'll get to that after we open up this box from V-Dubs and Chevelle Hunters. I actually like that name. It's really cool. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what they sent. I know there's some stuff in here for King Nut. So yeah, when we get to that part, I'll set that aside, and then King Nut, we'll just meet up and I can give you all that stuff. So let's see, what is this one? King Nut stack. All right, cool. So we'll go ahead and set that off to the side right here, guys. All right, here we go. Mustang Hunter. All right, so we have a letter. Absolutely love getting these letters. Hey Mustang Hunter, we wanted to share some ZAMACs with you. There was a huge dump of them at our Walmart, which you're very lucky because we have not gotten anything. It was crazy. Anyway, we hope you enjoy them. Also included the Cream 68 Mustang, a couple extra goodies. We truly enjoy the channel and everything you do. Thanks. P.S. Also included King Nuts goodies as well. Christina and Donnie Martin. PSA, we did not take all the ZAMACs. We got some to share and still left an abundance for the scalpers. Probably. But hopefully not. Definitely like that little side note right there. So I definitely appreciate you guys, and I love the fact that you're enjoying the channel. I try to make it as enjoyable and not as dry as possible. So again, thank you for all the continued love and support. So let's go ahead and see. I see the Cream 68 right here. Get the one hand unwrapping pro here. Okay, this is a little bit like a stage 3 difficulty in unwrapping single hand because of all the tape. I actually got to put the phone down for this one. All right, cool. So there was an outer cocoon around this one, so they definitely made the one-hand challenge pretty difficult this go around. Here we go, guys. You got the 2019 Silverado Trail Boss ZAMAC number 7 for 2021. Nice. So probably saw the video posted right before this. I did get the fresh wave of these from my buddy Mike. But a second one does not hurt. You guys already know I opened up a bunch of my castings. So maybe these will be opened or maybe not. But I'm glad to have some duplicates. And right here you got the 85 CRX ZAMAC number 8. I know you guys had already started getting the plans of sending this. I didn't know Mike was actually going to send them at the exact same time. So there we go. So you have an abundance of ZAMACs. Looks like I'm getting an abundance of ZAMACs. And look at this. Oh my. Oh, that is so sweet, guys. Check this out. Silver Series. Look at that. Oh, that is wicked. This is number 2 of 4s, the Rodzilla. Look at that. That is so freaking cool. Look at that detail, guys. Now, I looked up the Silver Series and I had seen that, and I was like, oh man, the Rodzilla looks crazy. But look at that. You got the gold motor. That is really cool looking. Got the 7-spoke wheels. I don't know which direction this goes. Well, obviously Hot Wheels goes in the right direction, so his neck would actually turn around and face this way. So alright, that is so freaking cool. Awesome. And then look at this, guys. The Silver Series Fire Eater. Look at that. Number 1 of 4. That looks really cool, man. You got the 7 spokes as well. Look at that detail. Got the number 51. You got the flares. You got all kinds of cool little tampos works on there. Nice. Collector number 322, and this one is collector number 323. And then here we go. We got the Volkswagen Beetle ZAMAC number 9 for 2021. Also have this, but like I said, guys, more the merrier. At least I have the choice to open them or not. And then right here, the Cream 68 Mustang, which Kina already gifted me. I just picked up a second one. I'll actually open that one up. We'll actually do that right now. And there we go. Let's take a closer look at this. Got the frosted blue glass. You got the Matthias motors, 10/16, and then you have the Han Sports right there on the front, the gold 5 spokes. This is nice. Now that it is out of the blister, I might just detail this, add some color to the air filters right there on the dual carbureted motors right there. Some taillight tampos, headlights, all the works. So nice. Christina and Donnie, the one that you got me is going to stay in the collection carded. The other one I put somewhere. Might be in here. So Christina and Donnie, thank you so much. I know I have these already, but duplicates are always good. That way I have a choice to open them, like I said earlier. The 68 is going to be a dupe, and these right here, the Silver Series, these are going in a hard protector just like the Silver Series 2 that you sent me. So I'm definitely going to take care of those. But awesome package, thank you so much. Right here, guys, I did manage to find some K-case. I also got some duplicates, so I can actually open some. But right here, guys, the first one, check this out. You got the 75 Unimog, and it is in red enamel. Look at this one. This is nice. I love that they did not throw the mud tires. It's all black off-road wheels. Got the red enamel with the search and rescue tampos. Super cool looking. This is out of the Hot Wheels Rescue Series out of K-case. So this one, I believe, looks way cooler than the Treasure Hunt. And I did also get one, which is over here. I believe it was one of the original ones right here, short card. Unimog in red enamel with the saw blade wheels. Really, really cool casting. Love the recolor. And then right here, I was actually really wanting to get my hands on this. The 82 Dodge Rampage in red enamel with the orange stripes, and then you can see the dashed stripes right there in orange running down behind the back door. But check that out, you got a little 3-wheeler in the back. And I bought 2 of these, that way I can actually open it up and detail the 3-wheeler. So I think that would look super cool, all detailed up. Of course, you got the headlights that are attached to the front glass, which is actually clear with the black interior, and then you do have a small little hitch. But I definitely do like this casting. It's really cool. Definitely the era of the 80s that was really not likable, but still at the same time, when you see these, I think they're still really cool. I'm a huge fan of El Caminos and Rancheros and all the Ute style trucks. So I did pick up 2 of those just so I can have the ability to open one and detail it up. I did pick up a second Muscle and Blown. If you saw my video prior, I did find one. This one I actually picked up so I can open it and put it in the display to follow up with the 51 and 52 right here. So eventually I'll make some room and put this one in the display, but I wanted to grab a second one. This one right here, guys, I'm not a huge collector of the Batmobile. But this casting looks really cool. Definitely 70s driven body style. I love it. Check out the tampos on the rear. Got the tail lights, the third brake light. That motor looks really cool. Screaming for some details. And then it looks like you got some type of motor up front. And yeah, it just looks really, really cool. It does have the gray aero disc, which is okay because I'm pretty sure the Batmobile can get away with stuff like that. The main reason why I picked it up, it's because this is the first Hot Wheels first appearance. Check that out. So new for 2021, first appearance, and I believe it's the movie with Robert Pattinson. So we're gonna see that in the film, and I definitely wanted to pick it up because anything that says first Hot Wheels appearance, I definitely want in my collection because I know I'd regret it later on in life when they come up with all kinds of variations. So definitely a cool one to pick up. This one right here, guys, this one's probably my favorite recolor of the Bentley Continental GT3. Look at this white enamel with the lime green and black tampos. I believe the other one had the 100 on the side with Bentley. Let's see, where are my Bentleys at? Right here. All right, so yeah, they all had the 100. So you got the green, has a lot of highlights, which I really like because it kind of outlines all the panels. Then you got the GameStop exclusive with the number 8, and then you have the green metallic with the number 8. I thought this livery looked the best, and now they just got even better with the pure white enamel and lime green. That just makes those colors pop. And right here, guys, you got the white enamel version of the ZAMAC, as well as the first release, which was the Valentine in red. So same tempo, same deco, really cool looking. It still says Valentine 0214, but it's just in white enamel with the red tire and aero discs on there. Not a fan of the wheels, but at the same time, gotta catch up on all the variations. So that one was really cool. And then when I went to Fry's the other day, I did manage to find some short cards. Check these out. These are old short cards. You got this 2017 GTR R35 50th anniversary in white. Look at that. You have the 50th anniversary badge GTR on the rear, the gray PR5s, the red stripe. This thing is a beautiful casting. Now I do have this on the normal card, which is right here, and now I have the shorty. So this is a US card, this is an international short card. You can see the international numbers on the back. I also found the short card of the BMW K1300R. This thing is really cool. I've passed this one up in multiple variations as well, but a short card to me is a short card, and I'm just gonna pick it up now that I'm actually collecting bikes, because I got the Moon Eyes, the dirt bike, and the Street Stealth, and I got a couple more somewhere around here. I got the Ducati, and now I got the BMW, so that one was really cool as well. Got the 64 Nova Wagon on the short card in the orange enamel. I do have this on long card, but it's in that box, and I have the ZAMAC right here on the display. So one of my favorite wagons out of the Hot Wheels Flame series of last year, I believe it was. But really cool short card. And then of course the McLaren P1 in this pearlescent teal color. Just a beautiful casting. I do have this one loose. This one's staying carded because I don't open up short cards. But I do have it loose right here with the other variations as well. These are all my McLarens. You guys know because you watched in disbelief that I opened up all these castings. And then right here, guys, I found another Chase Arachnarod right here. Now the first one I got was actually not given. My buddy hid it in the store, and I went and picked it up. So now I got 2 of these. I got 2 Aston Martins, 2 Twin Mills. I got the Charger, Time of Taxi, the Batmobile, and the other Batmobile from Arkham Knights. So doubling up on each pretty much. That way I can keep one, trade one, or gift one away. Then I found another Dior too. So somebody else was asking for one of these. So I'm gonna have to set this aside for them. So really cool haul, guys. Not much of a KK, just a couple here and there. So other than that, guys, I definitely appreciate the package from Christina and Donnie. These are freaking amazing. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these crazy casts out of KK, short cards, or even these Silver Series cards was your favorite. But other than that, guys, I got nothing else. Hopefully you have a great weekend, and of course I appreciate all of your love and support on the channel. We are getting close to 3K, so that's another milestone that we can reach together, and that is it, guys. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.